Hello everybody. Today we are playing Among Us, Gorilla Tag, which is Among Us, except in Gorilla Tag.
So basically, there's a live event happening tomorrow, 10 a.m.
Yeah, I won't be able to get there, right on time. Not actually on time.
I could record a video. Never mind me. Don't know how to record it.
Anyway, I am the imposter. And Angel is learning how to wall climb.
Yeah, I'm learning how to wall climb right now.
Yeah, I don't know how to wall climb.
Let's go over there and set off the volcano. Okay, get two
Let's set off
rocks.
the volcano.
Get 2 rocks. Okay.
Get 2 rocks. It's starting.
Run.
No, it's not. It hasn't set off yet.
Oh, wait. Okay, us two. Okay, get 2.
I'll get one.
Wait, okay, let's get one.
Get another one. Put it under one.
Get one. No, get one. Get one.
No. Don't tell me. Man, don't tell me what to do. Wait, where's the other one?
That's it. I think that's it.
No, it isn't.
That's it.
Dang it.
That's it.
No, it isn't. That's not it. It hasn't even...
It's becoming daytime. Wait a minute. The volcano smoke. The volcano smoke's black. Earlier it was yellow and red. And black. Bro,
Oh
listen,
my
look
God.
at the volcano. The steam. The steam's becoming black. I think it's going to erupt soon.
Can't.
How did you miss?
I don't know. So, by the way, guys,
This is the last one.
it's not erupting. According to my account. Run! Ah! I am the imposter, but I have to run away from the lava, or else I'll become fully evil. I am a good imposter, but if I fall into the lava, I am dead meat. And plus, it makes me an imposter, a real imposter. I am a no!
Red and
Ah! Ha 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 ha! Come here, crewmates! Come here, crewmate! Come here, Blue! Eee! Oh! Red was the imposter. Ba, 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 ba. You should be celebrating because you won. Ah. Hold up. I'm gonna go change my name. Angel, I'm gonna go change my name to Red. Up! What? Beach? Okay, hold up. I need to change my name to Red. I'm keeping the party hat though. Angel, come closer.
But we have to wall jump. Come over here.
Okay, hold up.
You at B.
Okay.
You at B.
No, wait, not red. Not just red. Wait, how do I space? Okay, there's no space. Red imposter. Red. I'm just gonna go with red. That's fine. Okay, I'm keeping the party hat though. Ha ha ha! Crewmate, where are you? Huh? Angel, how do I get over it? Angel, where are you? Are you in beach? How? No! There's still lava. Huh?
Bro, Mason, I just became coral. Come here, Mason.
You did? Hold up, I can't.
They're here.
Ah! I was so close though. I was so close. Ooh, I have an idea. If I don't find some bodies, if I wait, how does it go? I blow up. Got up.
Okay, let's go.
You're the imposter. You're the sorry.
Wait, Mason, look. Look at the
Oh my God,
color.
the water's pink.
Get near it.
What color do I? I'm blue. I'm red. Everything's red. Okay, hold up. Wait.
Yeah, this
Oh
is,
my God, Angel, wait.
Look. This is all
You're
lava.
still red. You're still red.
Over here is back to normal. Wait, but you become a very light blue. Look at my blue. I'm very light. My blue is very light.
Wait, why is the water blue again?
Oh, it changes back to normal when you're over here.
Oh my God, look at my color. It's pink. Oh man. Oh wait. Oh my God, I'm a water monkey. Me, I'm a monkey.
Monkey.
Angel, you're supposed to sing it. Angel, do you even know what? Angel, can you come over here?
Hold up.
Let's go to. Oh man. Ah! I'm back to being a forest monkey. I mean. Bye, Angel.
You're blue.
I know. I'm light blue. Okay, never mind. Okay, I'm at beach. Well, almost.
No, there's nothing at beach.
Okay, but I don't care. Okay, never mind. Wee. Angel, help! I am scared. I'm afraid of heights. Somebody help me. Angel,
What?
help me.
I'm setting off the volcano.
Oh. Ah! Oh my God, I made it. The water's pink again.
My Oculus.
Bruh. Okay, Angel's Oculus died again. But we're gonna set off the volcano. I am kidding. But look at the big volcano. It looks like it's about to erupt, but I don't think it's gonna erupt because that's basically the volcano isn't going to erupt. It's just a background volcano. Background volcanoes don't go off like that. Ah, dang it. But today, I'm going to set off the volcano without Angel. Whose Oculus is dead. So when the volcano. Okay, let's. Okay. What? Come on, turn. Oh my God, help! Oh my God. I thought I was stuck in there. Run! It's gonna erupt! It's gonna erupt! Oh God, it's coming! Help me! Help me! Red was the imposter.